my students, nice to see you again. In this video, I will explain to you how to do your project. Okay, first, you have to prepare the tools or your stuff. Okay, they are pen, 1-page VS paper, your phone or your camera to record your video. Okay, the second, you have to draw or you have to print the Twitter template. Okay, here is the example of Twitter template. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, in the place of letter A or column A, you have to draw your profile that represent you. Okay, for example, I draw a student. I draw one student, so you have to draw your profile. Okay, in the place of letter B, you have to write down your name. In the place of letter C, you have to write down the location of your city or your country. For example, I live in Medan, Indonesia. Okay, in the place of letter D, okay, or in column D, you have to draw your friend profile that follow you, and also you have to write down their names. For example, you have followers Susan, Rinto, Hannah, and Dodi. You have to draw their profile and also write down their names. Okay, in the place of letter E, you have to write down more information about you. Okay, for example, my birthday is 13 August 2007. I am in grade 6. I study at Integritas Bangsa IB School. My favorite hobby is swimming. Okay, so you have to write down the more information about you. Okay, now in the place of letter F, you have to write down the question and the answer. Okay, you have to write down 5 questions and 5 answers. Now you are a journalist. So before you write down the question, you have to interview your father or your mother or your older brother or your older sister. You ask them first, and then you write down the question and the answer. Okay? For example, the question is, what must we do to avoid ourselves from getting infected by coronavirus? Okay? And the answer you also have to write down. Okay, the answer may be by washing our hands frequently, drinking water often, and eating fruits and vegetables. Okay, students, so in this column you have to write down 5 questions and also 5 answers. Okay, now after that, after you have done all, you have to make a video in 1 minute. Okay, the video based on the conversation between you and your mother or your father or your older brother and older sister. Okay, after that, send the video to me by chatting privately in Hangout. Okay, the deadline until Friday 17th April 2020. Okay, so you have 1 week to do that. Okay, students, don't forget do your project. Keep yourself healthy. See you. Bye.